Okay, for our next app, let's build a simple calculator. So I'm going to click on Create New App, and I will call it Calculator. So part of what I would like to do with this app is to demonstrate the text input boxes. So I'm going to drag two text input boxes onto the app, and I'm going to make them numeric. So what I can do is I can click on the text input, and then it gives a keyboard type. So default is going to be all the letters and everything. But what I really want is numeric. I only want numbers to appear. And I'm going to do the same thing for the other one. Then what I'll do is I'm going to put a button, and I really want the button below these. And I'm going to name this button Add. And I'll change the name of the component for the blocks to the Add button. Then I'm going to have a label. I'll get down. Seriously. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Flying around. Let's try that again. Let me get you below the Add button. Almost. All right. And the label is where answers will appear. So going over to the blocks, when the Add button is clicked, I want to set the text for label one. Label one is really just a terrible name. Instead of label one, you are now the answer. Okay, let's go back to blocks. From the answer, I want to set the text to the result of adding the contents of my text inputs. Text input 1 and 2 are also terrible names. I'm just going to call this number 1. I'm going to call you number 2. Okay, so coming back to the blocks, I want from number 1 to get its text, and I want to add that. And then from number 2, I want to get its text like so. Let me drag it over so you can see the whole thing. And now, if I go ahead and bring this up on my telephone, oops, just a second. I have to restart the app. Boom. And it's logging in. And oops, I clicked the wrong button. All right, cool. So I'm going to click on my calculator and it appears. And so I'm going to type in 2. I'm going to type in 3. I'm going to click add, and 5 appears. And we have the beginnings of a working calculator. But why stop there, right? I mean, if we're going to have a calculator, maybe we also wish to subtract. So I'm going to put in another button. Let's see, okay. And we're going to call you subtract button. Whoops. Subtract button. And we are going to change the text for the user to the word subtract. Now I will go over to the blocks and I will program my subtract button. So when my subtract button is clicked, it's going to be very, very similar. So from answer, I'm going to set the text to be the result of subtracting. And again, it's not 1 minus 1, but rather the text from number 1 minus the text from number 2. Just like that. Whoop, not quite like that. All right, so my blocks are lined up. Now my app is live, and I say, what is 6? 4, subtract, and I get 2. And you know what? Just for fun, I'll say, what's 6/8 subtract? And it's -2. Works perfectly. So what we've seen in this exercise then is how we can use text boxes, so text input boxes, as part of what we work on in our